This
You
dude.
recording again?
Yeah, we're recording.
Oh my.
He's talking about how pretty the stars are. Behind us is an abandoned motel.
Looks like the Bates Motel.
Oh yeah, Timmy. Oh yeah, Timmy.
I think I heard someone asking about Mama. My mama's back there.
If you guys don't see us, public service announcement right down here, please. Station call 911. Please. We are located in somewhere in Tennessee.
Yeah, it's called 44 diesel or something, wasn't it? 440 diesel.
440.
440 diesel.
No, it's called 440 truck stop.
Oh, 440 truck stop.
I don't know.
It's actually
Don't want to be here for Halloween. Look here, that dude's doing what you wanted to do.
I'm Timmy, he's on a buggy. I'm Timmy, you're so fine, you blow my mind, Timmy.
Oh boy.
You know what?
Yeah, he's crashing.
But it cleared it.
It cleared it.
Around.
But Loves is...
He made it.
I'm scared.
He's got that Peter. Is that a Peter?
No, that's a Freightliner.
I can't tell the difference.
Ouch.
I think the Peterbilt, he looks a lot nicer than the Freightliner there. Oh, by the way, there's no showers here, just so you know.
You ate onions.
No onions tonight.
No
I
onions.
got the Listerine going here in a little bit.
Oh my.
Listerine and some water.
Oh my.
Brushing the teeth. Maybe shower tomorrow. That'd be good.
We're gonna give you a Tommy Boy shower. We'll just take you up here to the diesel aisle and hose you down.
Oh no. I have
Tommy boy.
invest in baby wipes that are unscented.
You going deer hunting?
Deer hunt. No.
He scares me. Put my sunglasses on at night because I'm cool.
I'm cool like that.
Yeah. He's tired.
Yeah, no. What time we getting up?
The critters of the night. Truck driver.
You said 4:30.
Said 5 o'clock.
We're leaving for 5.
We said 5 o'clock.
We're leaving
We're leaving at 5. We're leaving at 5. We're leaving at 5.
So alarm is set 8 hours from now.
All right.
Damn.
Good job.
4:30. It's 8:30 at 8:30 at night to get up at 4:30. Get ready for a lifestyle change.
I don't want to hear you up in the top bunk.
Oh, Timmy.
No. That's what the showers are for. You know, you have to shower your own little personal space in the shower. And just leave it at that.
No. No. Baby killing in the showers. Look at him. Is it okay?
What's okay?
You look like you're in distress.
I'm not. I'm good.
Is the food bad for you?
No. I had you know what? The food here was actually really good. I had the grilled chicken salad with ranch dressing, and it was a lot of salad, a lot of chicken for a little bit of money. So, as far as the truck stop, hey, it's not. It's a lot, and the food is good, and it's not expensive. So, food's good, and Habib working the counter doesn't know how to pronounce 10, so I had him say it 3 different times. Huh? What'd you say?
His name was George. We asked him how to spell George, and he didn't know how to spell George. Hello, my name is George. Yeah.
So
George.
I looked over at Perry quickly. He was trying not to crack a smile because I said it to him. What'd you say? You say 10? I don't know how you, whatever they said.
He's a ton.
Ton.
That's what it says. Ton.
Is that 10?
Is that 10? Ton. 10, 5, 10. Ton.
Oh
boy.
I'm bad sometimes. I had to take it out on somebody.
We will leave it at that.
All right. That's all I have to say about
Good
that.
night,
Good night,
everybody.
people.
Bye, Timmy.